Okay, guys, first of all, you have two freckle assignments, composite area and area of polygons. I would do the area of polygons first because it's the easiest one. So this is a parallelogram, and remember the area of a parallelogram is base times height. So this would be, it's asking, he said he has 60 square centimeters of space left on the wall in the shape of, well, this is a rhombus, the shape of the rhombus below. Will the rhombus shown below fit on the wall? So you would have to calculate the area of this rhombus, which would be 9 times 7, which is 63. But he only has 63 square centimeters. He only has 60 square centimeters. So no, he would not have enough space on the wall to put that rhombus. Okay. Okay, the size of a whiteboard is 16 inches by 10 inches. How many 2-inch by 2-inch post-it notes will be needed to cover the entire whiteboard? And I'm sure some of you would really actually want to work that out, but do not touch my post-it notes. You know, don't touch them. Okay, anyway, so you would calculate the area of the whiteboard, which is 16 inches by 10 inches. 16 times 10, 160 square inches. Okay, the area of one post-it note is 2 times 2, 4 square inches. So you would do 160 divided by 4, and that would be um, by 4, 160 square inches divided by 4 square inches. So that would be 40 post-it notes that you can fit. So you get the idea of how to do those. Now, this is kind of a composite area. A regular hexagon is shown below. Finish the steps, but find the area. So the area of one triangle. So they gave you a height. And when it says regular hexagon, it means a regular polygon, all the sides are the same. So the base here is 6. So the area of a triangle is 1/2 base times height, or base times height divided by 2. So it's 6 times 4, which is 24, divided by 2, which is 12 square centimeters. Okay, expression to find the area of the 6 congruent triangles. So it would be 12 times 6, because you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 congruent triangles in this regular hexagon. And then the area would be 72. So that's how you would find that one. Let me see if there's any different types. Okay, so that's back to parallelogram, which is base times height. I'm going to post the formulas for you all. Okay. So let's end that, and let's look at the composite area. Now, I put this one up here because you all had a lot of problems with it, so I want you to practice it more. This one, he's creating a rug for an odd-shaped room. His design is shown below. Each square represents 1 square foot. How much cloth will he need? So the ones that are just plain, you can just count those. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that little, there's a square in there. So that's 25 for that square. Let me get the pen so I can show you what I'm talking about. So this little part here and that little part here. I'm trying to do this with my hand, with my left hand. So this part is 25. Well, you know what I mean, 25. Let me try it again. 2. Let me try the 5. Okay, so imagine that that's a 25. Then you have a triangle here. So you count your height, 1, 2, 3, 4, and your base is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 times 4 is 28. Half of that is 14. So this part is 14. And then this looks like I can either do it as a trapezoid or a rectangle and a triangle. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you see how we're breaking it up into little areas. And then the height of this triangle is 2. The base is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. Half of that is 2. So we're going to add these together. 14 plus 6 is 20. 22 plus 25, I think, is 47. Yeah. So I broke it up into little pieces. Same thing here. Just break it up into pieces. You got a triangle. If you use the pen. So you can do that, and you got a triangle there. And you know that's the height of 2, and the base is 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you have a triangle here on the end. Well, imagine that line is straight. Okay, and then you got a square there in the middle. And so you would just calculate the area of each one. So this is 4 by 4, so that's 16. And base time height, 4 times 2 is 8, and half of that is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that height is also 2. So that would be 4. So 4 and 4 is 8, plus 16 is 24. So you just break it up into pieces. And that should give you your composite area. Okay, so I hope this helps. Y'all be good. I have heard some things about some of the classes, and I will be submitting detentions this week, so just watch out for that if you haven't been on task. Thank you.